Good day, everyone. Have you ever experienced being misunderstood even when you felt like you explained yourself clearly? This situation often happens because of poor communication. Today, I would like to inform you about the importance of communications on skills in our daily lives. Communication and skills refer to the ability to express ideas clearly and understand others effectively. These skills include speaking, listening, reading, and writing. We use communication every single day, whether we are talking to our classmates, chatting with friends, and participating in group activities. One important aspect of communication is clarity. When we communicate clearly, we organize our thoughts and deliver our message in a simple and understandable way. This helps avoid confusion and misunderstandings. For example, in group work, clear communication ensures that each member knows their responsibilities. Another key aspect is listening. Communication is not only about speaking, it also involves actively listening. Good listeners focus on the speaker, understand the message, and respond appropriately. This builds respect and helps create stronger relationships with others. In addition, nonverbal communication plays a big role. This includes body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and tone of voice. Sometimes, people pay more attention to how we say things than the actual words. A friendly tone and positive body language can make conversations more effective and meaningful. Effective communication skills are very important for students. They help us participate confidently in class discussions, express our ideas clearly, and work better in teams. These skills are also essential in the future, especially during job interviews and professional settings. In conclusion, communication skills are a vital part of our everyday lives. By improving how we speak, listen, and express ourselves, we can avoid misunderstandings, build better relationships, and achieve success both in school and in life. Thank you for listening.